The Trinity Site, located in New Mexico's remote desert, marks the location of the first atomic bomb test on July 16, 1945. Here's what you need to know before you visit. The site is part of the White Sands Missile Range, an active military installation. Because of this, it's only open to the public once a year in October. Admission is free, and visitors can explore the area from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. At Ground Zero, you'll find a black obelisk marking the exact location of the explosion, and you can take a short bus ride to the McDonald Ranch House. The Trinity Site is a place where science, history, and reflection come together. Be sure to check out the White Sands Missile Range website for current visitor information and follow for more historic travel tips. Don't forget to check out our full video on New Mexico's role in the Manhattan Project.